Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from RBC Royal to Scotiabank in Canada. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process of to send money from the RBC to Scotiabank. So the best thing to do is to log into your RBC mobile app or the online banking system. Then go to move money or transfer. Then from there choose send interact transfer. Then from there select your recipient or tap add new recipient. Then enter the amount and security questions and answer. Then tap on send, and that's how you can simply send money from your RBC Royal to Scotiabank. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.